Getting a pop-up saying you are following too fast on TikTok? Well, let me help you. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you how you can fix if you are getting the pop-up saying you are following too fast on TikTok. There are many users encountering this issue and it can be quite frustrating. You might want to follow new people but you can't because TikTok is preventing you from doing so. So, what is the you are following too fast error? The you are following too fast error means that you have exceeded the following limit of TikTok. In other words, you are temporarily unable to follow new people. On May 13, 2021, the following feature on TikTok was down, which resulted in the couldn't follow account error when you try to follow someone. If TikTok is down, your best bet is to wait until they fix the error on their end. But how do you fix the issue? Now, to fix the you are following too fast error on TikTok, you'll have to wait it out. The error typically lasts a few minutes or more depending on the number of times you receive the error. If you can't follow anyone on TikTok, it's because you have exceeded the following limit, which is about 30 users per hour. Well, there's nothing much you can do about it except waiting for the error messages to be lifted. Now, once your error message lifts, you can open up your account and start following new users again. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.